The molar volume is the volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas. An example of this would be trying to find the liters of how much moles you need. So 8 moles over X amount of liters equals 2 moles over 22.4 liters. And cross multiply, you get 179.2 equals 2x, and then x equals 89.64. And then a real life example would be, say you're in a factory and you need to find the volume for how much soap you're going to need to fill the container. As long as you know the moles, you'd be able to find the volume by using the equation moles over X amount of liters equals moles over 22.4 liters.
The ideal gas law is the equation of a hypothetical ideal gas. An example is PV equals nRT 720.8 times 0.250 equals n number of moles times 62.4 times 308. And then you'd have 180.2 over 19219.2 equals n number of moles 192.19.2 over 19.2, and then moles equals 0.0094. An example is a hot air balloon. As the gas in the hot air balloon is heated by fire, the volume of the hot air balloon will increase.
Molarity is the most common method of expressing solution composition in chemistry, and the equation is mole over volume.
Molarity equals moles over volume, and then you have 125 liters something equals 0.125, and then you have 0.552 moles over 1 liter equals moles over 0.125 liters equals 0.069 moles.
Okay, so a real life example would be if a pool isn't clean enough, you just add chlorine, or if it has too much, you add more water.
The percent yield is how much of a product you make. We have 2H2O and it goes into 2H plus O2. We have 36 grams of H2O and the atomic mass of H2O is 18.013. So you do 36 over 0 and it equals 18.013 over 1, and then you'll get 1.998. You then make a BCA table, getting 1.998 2H2 and 0.9902. You then do another BCA table for 1.998 over x equals 1 over 2.014, 2.014 being the atomic mass of 2H2, getting, oh my god, 0.402 grams. Let's see how many grams you're going to get from that. And then you go to 1.8 over 0.402, because you have 1.8 grams of O2, and then you'll get 44.8%. A real life example will be some chemist dudes in their lab are trying to make whale oil or something, and they need to see how much that they need.